Karibu Nisana, how are you guys doing? My name is Jen Modo, your number one host, the one and only. Guys, before we dive in, please consider subscribing, like this video, share this video, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. What do you think about this video? What do you want to see next? Kindly leave a comment. Through your comment, I move to the next level. When you comment down below, I know exactly what you want to see next, and I dance according to that tune. Guys, today we have a very big topic in the house: how to make a woman chase you. How exactly can you make a woman chase you? In this case, not any woman. We are talking about the woman you are having feeling for, but for you are seeing her, she's not seeing. You are being, I love this girl, she's not loving you back. There are things, specific things, which you can do to draw the attention of this woman closer to you, all to yourself. Guys, check my face before we continue. Jen Modo wants to sleep, but before I sleep, guys, I am very tired. I've been going through a lot since morning. I've been up and down doing 1, 2, 3 things, which I'm not going to disclose on this one. So guys, before I sleep or before I go and rest, I want to be at peace as I'm sleeping. And how will Jen Modo be at peace? When I've made a video for you guys, so that when I'm sleeping, I am at peace with myself. Are you guys getting the point? This means that, or that means that I value guys so much, and that's very true. So today I want to discuss with you how to make a woman chase you. You know, most of you do these things wrong, and you make these women fool you around. You know, let me tell you, men, if you do certain things with the tips I'm going to share with you, even though you look like how or you look like how, a woman will chase you basing on the tips I'm going to share with you. She will see value in you. Our point number one, the very first point: get closer to this lady's friends. When this lady sees that you are now getting closer to her friends, she will draw more attention, closer attention to you, to get to know. She will want to know, you are dating now, my friend. She will even herself, without even you telling her, she will start telling you, now I know. I thought that you loved me. You were just wasting my time. Woman, this is a woman who has been drawing his attention to you, coming to you every time, but you are not showing him that you are interested in him. You want him to first kill himself. You want him to first die before you get to know that this man is interested in you. There are certain things I don't play with, like fooling people around. You know, some women, they are just fooling you around. Get closer to her close friends. These friends should specifically, or must specifically, be female. I am telling you, it will prick her up to the kidney. It will prick her up to the heart. And before you know it, this person will text you. This person will call you. The person who has not been calling you, you call her, she doesn't even pick. She will have that curiosity to know whether you are dating the friend, or she will even tell you already, I know you are dating my friend. Yeah, I thought you loved me. Such things will make this woman chase you back. Our point number two: stop preaching to these women how much you love them. I am not telling that. I am not saying or telling you that you should not tell these women that you love them. There is what we call it too much. Shaba, too much. It is too much every time. Some of the words, you just say them to please them. You don't even mean them. Use these words where necessary. Use these words correctly. I am not telling you not to tell them you love them. Of course, you must tell Jen Modo you love me, so that to make me feel, I am loved. Not every time you are preaching how much you love me. Every time. It becomes like, me as me, I will take it for granted. Even when you mean it, I will take it for granted. You are supposed to use these words necessarily where you're supposed to use them, where it is supposed to be used. Not every time. Not every time you tell them how much you love them. You see, these women, they take advantage of you every time. She will be thinking you can't stay without them. Some of them, when you're preaching, some of you, sometimes when you're preaching how much you love these girls, you even keep on telling them, I can take a bullet for you. There is no way I can stay without you. I can't sleep. I can't sleep in my bed. What? Those things, they make us think that you are desperate. and you can't stay without me. Even though I do how, even though I tell you to buy me a car, you will go and borrow money and buy me that car. So it is good to tell us how much you love us, but not every time. It makes us take you for granted. Respect yourself and use these words in a respectful manner. Mhm. Our next point, we have build a life that attract any woman outside there. You see, women, they want men who have money. They want men who have mission. They want men who have goals. They want men who are ambitious. When you build that life, you build yourself around that. I am telling you, a woman will chase you to the extent that you will just be now telling her, please give me some space, give me some space. So sometimes you need to build also a beautiful life. I am telling you, people say that everyone is handsome, everyone is beautiful, but beauty lies on the hands of the beholder, or on the eyes of the beholder. So you might not be beautiful to Jenny, but you have money, or you might not be handsome to Jenny, but you are really an ambitious man. Not drama. You have goals. You have things you talk about. They really make me to be like, I think this is the type of the man I would like to be with. I am telling you, a woman will chase you. Even the one who was saying that one before you had money, or before you made it. That one, no, I cannot. The woman will chase you if you do this. I am telling you the truth here. Our next point, challenge her. You see, some of you don't want to challenge this woman. Every time you are yes, you are yes man. Every time you are yes man. There are times also you are supposed to say no. Don't fear to say no. Don't fear to disagree on certain decision, on certain points with a woman. When you do like this, she will even respect you the more. But if you're a man, every time, yes, you don't have any side. For you, everything is beautiful just because of the nyash of this woman, just because this woman has a smooth face, like for Jane Model, just because this woman is tall, the woman has nyash. So everything the woman is saying, just say yes. Let me tell you, people, and prove you wrong. Women love men who can challenge them. If you can challenge a woman, this woman will love you forever. Then she will look for you. You'll be like, nah. She will even try to compare you with other men who have dated her, and you're the only one who had ever challenged her. These are the type of men we want. Our next point, stop impressing her a lot. What do I mean here? Let me take an example. This is a woman, it is only you who calls. She doesn't call, it is only you who calls. It is only you who text her. Every time she tells you, for example, maybe you buy a phone, she tells you, baby, I don't like that one. You go and buy another one. I don't like. You are trying so hard to impress this woman. Let me tell you people some secret. When a woman does not love you, she will never love you even though you try to impress her like how. My especially now you are the poor one and you're just using all the resources around you. You sell land, you sell what to get these things. You are just wasting money. You are wasting time. You will cry ajore. But if you, for example, you text her in the morning and she doesn't reply anything, she blue ticks you and doesn't reply, leave it like that. Don't continue pushing and pushing and pushing. She will make you to be a sheep thing. An desperate person, you don't have anything to do. You will stress yourself and even kill yourself. This is a reality no one is going to tell you. When you are don't push so hard trying to impress these women. Don't do that. Sometimes there are things also you have to just be. When she sees, I've blue ticked him, he has seen I've blue ticked him, he's not even saying. Sometimes they are playing with your mind. Sometimes these women, they are playing with your mind. They think you're so cheap. You don't have anything to do. Make yourself busy. Our next point, always be scarce. Play that card of scarcityness, or you are always not available. The moment you try to show a woman that you're always available, you have nothing to do. You're nothing doer. Desperate. We shall die of poverty. This man all the time in the morning is at my place. In the time he's coming. Even though I tell him, I've woken up but I'm feeling like fulu. He comes to see the fulu. He's sorry, we don't want such type of men. Everyone you are scarce, we'll be like, he's looking for money. Is what we love such type of people who are not always available. That is why sometimes I told one of my girlfriends that for me when I'm dating a man, I don't want a man who stays home. Like for like working days, you're just staying at home. And I'm also staying at home. I was just giving an example. By then, I'd not yet gotten a job. So I used to talk like that. I'd just finished campus. I used to be like, me, I don't want a man who just, it is very true. When a man is just staying at home, you feel depressed. You feel something is actually wrong. But every time you're not availing yourself, this woman will be like, this is the type of man I want. Or all the time you're not there, it means you're looking for money. You are working on your goals. There is something you are looking for. Eh? And when you come, you look beautiful. The way you talk with confidence, you'll be like, this is the man. So these are the things you're supposed to do. Work on yourself so that these women don't fool you around. When you do this, women will chase you. I am telling you 100%. But every time you are playing the cards, which even me I don't understand, then I'll give you people a bonus point. Always be the first one to walk away. This is a bonus point. When you do this, there is a way it creates that curiosity on these women. Why did he do this? Why? These women, they just want you to be there with them like this, even when she has not, she has whatever, something which has, they want you to continue being there, begging them. Walk away. When you do this, she will be like, next time she will not repeat the same thing. Or you can just be, you have gone, like, you are still talking with her, maybe holding a conversation. Don't just also be there. Tell her, baby, you know what? I think I need to leave. We like such type of men, by the way. We in our brain we are being thinking he's a busy man. He's a busy man. So walk away fast. Don't all the time wait for the lady to walk away and leave you there. You look like a moral. You look like a desperateness in the air. I don't understand. Eh? Eh? So women will always be women. I am telling you, they always play it so hard. So our last bonus point, we have, give them space. You see, when you text her the first time, she doesn't reply. You take her give her the space. Give her the space. There is nothing very strong like the power of silence. Power of silence is sometimes in relationship. I am telling you, you text her, you do what, she doesn't reply, you continue. This is exactly what I am from saying. You're trying to impress this girl beyond normal. There are things we really see it is not beyond the normal, it is abnormal. You are not supposed to continue doing that. When you do it 1, 2, 3 times, it's not. Don't continue pushing. Give her space. I am telling you, she will get back to you. She will know you're a valuable man. She will start thinking a lot. Maybe this man has moved on with another woman. Thinking to herself. So do these things and women will chase you. Thank you so much. Nobody should lie to you that you should be splashing money for them. You have to use your brain to deal with women. I am telling you people the truth. I am a woman, so I know exactly what we want. May God bless you guys so much. Share this video and leave a beautiful comment down below. Kwaheri.